So welcome to the extra spicy segment because of course your spicy boys here, and also because I get to have this full burger while these numbnuts get their own halves. But okay,
Yeah, so this is
jokes
fun.
aside though, go ahead.
Okay, so this is a spice test. We have ourselves here Mad Pat's Spice Chaser. 5 sips are equal to numbing the entire spice of 3 Carolina Reaper peppers.
And
So-
by the way, just as an aside, I've tried this and it tastes just like incredibly sweet limbu sharbat.
I don't need it because real men don't run away from pain. They
Yeah.
confront it. Jesus, I
Yeah,
said
keep telling yourself that. Keep telling yourself that. So basically, we're gonna monitor how many sips this takes to numb our spice, and he doesn't care. Okay, so 3. So let's dig in.
Maybe we should talk
Just
about this.
bring
burger.
this close.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, let's just take the stack out of her again because that's
Yeah.
kind of important. So it has jalapenos on top. It has an extra chicken patty here, and there's lettuce. Like nothing much else.
It's okay.
Okay, salute,
Salute.
boy.
Salute.
Very amazing. But okay.
It's spicy,
It's spicy.
but I've had spicy.
No, I think it's really good and like
It's
when
really
it comes
good.
to spicy, like
It's really good.
I
It
think
tastes
we'll take
like
one more bite.
It tastes like Vindaloo.
You're okay, right? You take another bite, and we'll see how many sips.
It tastes like Vindaloo.
Yeah.
You know what? I think I'll be fine without the spice chaser.
Sure. Let's see how much it takes to.
For me, 3 sips.
Wow, Alan is really, hamming it up for us.
Oh, pretty cool. It's still lingering.
Still lingering.
Keep on.
You want?
This is a good job. Well done, the burger.
Well done.
if I may, I think first thing is the chicken patty is very crunchy. It has a very satisfying crunch.
I love how crunchy the patties have been.
Yeah.
Even the
the,
upside down
Even the
burger.
upside burger was pretty good, but this one is just way stronger. I think it's
To be fair, he suggested a very mild sauce for the upside down. I wanted barbecue Southwest.
I think the sauce does wonders.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sauce does wonders. It's spicy, but has a nice
Kick to it.
kick to it. It has a pungent taste to it that
It's
helps
Vindaloo.
elevate the
It's very Vindaloo like.
yeah.
Okay. I may have done a bit of blunder.
What?
We have tried sugar to this.
Add more sugar. Bring more sugar to it.
No. Add more sugar to this and add more water to this.
I'm still fine, people. Thank you. I'm still fine.
I'm also fine,
Let the
right?
sugar crystals sit on your tongue.
Still fine.
He's crying.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's rate this while we fix the drink.
What's the spice level?
Spice level
Pretty high.
pretty high. He's still crying.
I'm not
Crying, dude. Look at me.
We have finished 3/4 of a glass.
9.
I think just call it a day and just have the entire glass. Drink it up.
Hey, she's bringing the sugar and let's wait.
Okay, now it went. The end makes it go.
Yeah.
Okay, the one full glass. Okay,
Let it.
just until we talk.
Spice. Let's at least talk about the overall taste, aside from the spices.
It's
I
kind of
think-
sweet. There's a bit of sweet
it's a
texture.
bit sweet.
I think the vegetables help,
Lessen
make
the
it a
impact.
bit more bearable.
Yeah.
I'm Bear Grylls and I'm doing this again.
Yeah, same.
Dude, you guys haven't seen the real Bear Grylls over here. Literally, standing in front of you, you know?
Yeah, this guy hadn't even had a single sip.
Judgment.
Yeah,
That's what I'm
that's
saying.
it.
I'm still here, people.
Okay, can you screen it?
We worship pain.
You guys emptied your glasses, dude. I don't have one.
Okay, Aryan.
Do you think I'll be able to finish this burger without screaming out for water?
Yeah. Do it.
Mom, if you're at home, I love you. You have raised me till this day, for this very day. For this very day.
Mom, I'm proud of you. bro.
Rupit. Let's go, Rupit. Yeah, he's
I
trying
can
to
say
say
buddy.
anything.
You still have a whole glass.
Proud of you, my boy. Proud of you.
Okay. You guys okay? Still have this small piece left?
You can leave it if you want.
No one's gonna judge you.
Okay, cool. Okay, let's see. Just to show everyone, we have this small piece left around,
I'd say 1/10, 1/8 size.
before I need water. Somebody give me water!
Want spices, sir?
If you have that.
We are
Harder than Dark Souls.
I couldn't get past one enemy in that one.
Okay, Rupit, how would you rate this in spice terms? Is it a one-winged angel or a RKO or a F5?
I think it's a one-winged angel. For those who don't know, the one-winged angel is a reference to the one of the most powerful moves in wrestling, and it takes time to set up. It's pretty difficult to set up, but once it hits, you're down for the count. And I think this burger is exactly what the one-winged angel would be in burger form. So.
And in Formula One terms, this would be as powerful as a Mercedes.
Okay, I think we should go to the premium with two Crunch Cafe burgers.
So, after enduring a nightmare worth of a burger from the burger, we are here with Crunch Cafe's, what's this burger called?
The
The
peri
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 peri.
burger.
Peri peri
The
burger.
African peri peri burger.
And after realizing how much
Pain I would be suffering, I decided to cut myself a little bit of slack and just, for now, have this half burger.
And have spice chaser because he's
And the
also.
spice chaser because I'm tired of this. But I will be trying to see if I can at least endure half the burger without needing the spice chaser.
Yeah, so
Just to
after
see-
enduring some pain, but trust me, the spice chaser works. Doesn't it, Rupit?
It-
Like
it
you
works.
had to have some later. It works
But-
pretty well. MacPat is a genius.
and another
Reason why I've taken half of the original burger is because these guys have eaten it already, and their reactions don't look that great.
Okay, and another
Hey
thing.
guys, this isn't the first time we've eaten this burger.
maybe
Have we, Alan?
Long time ago.
February.
Now that's a story for another day, but
So these guys are not giving me a lot of hope, and
Let's see. If we
you know
can
what? Let's just dive into this. All right.
So
Okay.
here we go. Fist bump, people. You know,
Flow gang.
Flow gang.
Okay, let's just take the stack order before we delve into this and try.
Alright.
Lettuce,
Lettuce.
onion,
Onion.
very good,
Yeah.
This is
jalapeno.
jalapenos, I think.
and chicken patty.
Uh,
Seems fair enough.
And I think points for making the burger actually look spicy.
Yeah,
This
the
looks-
burger is damn
for
red. Look
people
at this.
who just look.
Just
okay?
look. Just
If
look
you
at
see
how
a
red
it
burger
is.
So
See how
red
red.
and so well constructed, you can see, okay, this is going to be spicy.
Yeah.
You know. So,
This is that I give it points for just for its appeal. It looks pretty good.
And
It's
it's
still crispy, by the way. I had a piece of this fall
It's
off.
crispy, it's still crispy. Look at this. Wait. I want to give them this. I don't care. See this, huh?
And it's been nearly an hour.
Salute.
Salute. To be honest, it's not that spicy.
Are you sure that this is the spicy burger you want?
Okay. The spice is
This is
coming
not-
slowly. It builds up.
Never talk slack.
Your taste sensation's been burned out.
I think we should do one thing. We should eat.
Are you sure we're eating the same burger that you guys eat in February?
I think they've toned down the spice a bit.
so I kind of finished the entire burger. And I have to say, it's spicy. The spice is building up on me, but I think it's not that bad. It's not a relentless, beast like the one that we got from Delhi. So
Okay, so in comparison, what do you think? It's a one winged angel, F5 or RKO?
it's it's not an RKO. It's more like it's not a powerhouse movie. I think I'd call it the figure four or Boston crab.
I'd call it an
submission
uppercut.
move.
I'd call it an uppercut.
You stick to racing.
It's a figure four.
How
I'd say.
about,
it's
Or the
difficult.
punch of doom. The punch of doom. How about that?
Okay, all those moves are like, one hit and you're down. This spicy burger is not that way. It's very slow in its build up,
Yeah, that's there.
and it can be, difficult, and it can be very spicy. But at the same time, just like the figure four, it's easy to, counteract the effects.
So in Formula One terms, it's like an Aston Martin.
Pretty good. Yeah, I think that's it for the kind of disappointing idea. Maybe I should just.
Have a sip.
No.
Don't do
no.
it. Don't do
It
it.
gets worse.
It gets worse.
What?
It gets worse if you
Wait,
drink
you
it.
guys finished yours, but
It got better towards the end, but when you initially start, right, your tongue starts burning.
Yeah, again, this isn't cold. We just freshly made this, so that maybe could be a reason why it's supposed to be like ice cold.
Yeah, Matt Pat's Matt Pat's worked in the previous spicy video.
Yeah, because we kept it in the freezer for.
So wait, this will make the pain worse.
Yeah, until you reach the end. The end is super. It goes away. I think
Okay.
even the
I finished Dark Souls. I think I can handle this.
I think the lime mixture is a bit off.
Yeah, the lime mixer bit off. Like 2 limes are required, I think.
You guys are really trying to joke me, right? Like, so, forget whatever these guys say.
It is better some credible. Okay, let's talk about the taste. The for me it was 7 or actually an 8 out of 10.
I'd agree with an 8 out of 10. I love it because it was balanced. It's
Yeah.
not spicy.
Not that spicy. Like it creeps on you. It's not like a Mike Tyson punch like the burger.
It's a walk in the park.
It's a walk in the park, but a snake bites you in the middle.
That's not a bit. Okay, but in my opinion, we have to start thinking about it in two different ways. Okay, if you talk about spice and the extra pain factor alone, the burger does a very decent job. It's a lot more spicier and a lot more painful to eat.
okay,
It's like a hot ones challenge.
It's like a hot one challenge, basically.
okay, but
But at the same time, it can be difficult to order, like to eat as an actual burger. That being said, that's where the Crunch Cafe strength, burger's strength come from. the fact is, it's a very palatable burger. It's a very accessible burger. It's very easy to eat and very easy to, you'll still get and I think the best part is you'll get to experience the effects of the spices after you've eaten it.
It's an
Take a
aftertaste.
few minutes, take about half an hour, and the spice will settle in. But at the same time, if you're going for raw punch, the burger wins hands down. At the same time, Crunch Cafe gets points for its taste, because let me be honest, this is a very nice, very tasty burger to eat.
It's like tandoori.
Yeah,
very
it's kind
tandoori.
of like tandoori, and I love tandoori. So, but the patty itself is very crisp.
I
At the
love
same
the
time, it
patty.
has a nice smoky,
The smoky aftertaste in the taste.
Yeah, it has a nice texture and taste.
I give it points just for the looks.
Yeah.
And I give it points for the look. So
If you want my opinion, I'd give it an 8. I'd
Okay,
give it an 8.
so 8's all around.
But if you want the spice, hands
The
down
burger.
the burger. wins.
The
The
burger.
burger. Okay, so
In terms of spice, you never had to drink any spice chaser except 2 glasses after the cameras stopped rolling. We had to drink 2 glasses each.
no, I drank 1 glass of I had to drink the spice chaser for the burger. For this, the spice chaser was okay, let's
No, I'm talking about the burger. So
Yeah.
we two are, so both of us are 2 glasses down. You are 1 glass down. For Crunch Cafe, you're doing it basically for for
The
The
fact,
fact is, I finished the Crunch Cafe burger, but I didn't finish the burger.
Yes, the
Without
burger became too
That
unhandled.
is-
yeah. And we had 1 glass each for Crunch Cafe. So
I don't even know how I managed to finish the burger. Spice.
yeah. So hands down for spice, the burger wins.
the burger wins.
The cups show it. The cups can't lie.
Yeah. The glasses don't lie.
The glasses don't lie.
Yeah.
Insert Rihanna, that's Shakira means. The glasses don't lie. Okay, let's talk about the stack order. So as we already talked about, the burger stack order. The Crunch Cafe stack order was basically
It was very lean, no
Yeah.
fluff, just
no fluff.
Just spice.
sauce and the patty, and I think
And a bit of lettuce.
some
Yeah,
algae. And some
lettuce.
lettuce just like to cut everything off.
Yeah, just to balance a bit.
It's very simple. This.
It's very
Yeah.
simple. So I
I would usually dock points, for not adding stuff,
But
but
in
this
case-
is spicy burger.
In case of a spice burger, just putting more additions just takes away the flavor.
yeah. So I do think the stack order was pretty good. So what do you think, Alan?
I think
Points?
the stack order was quite good and it worked well in keeping with the burger.
I'd give the stack order a 8 out of 10.
I'd give it. Sorry, I'd give it a 7, 7.5.
Yeah.
Wait a second. I'd give it a 7.5.
Okay.
And we talk about spice. How structurally intact was it? So it came here again in one piece.
It
Crunch
was-
Cafe does a really good job at delivering stuff. Nothing fell down. Till now. We can't predict the future. So I say spice round. The results are going to give it out later.
Yeah,
We
we'll
want people to-
decide later.
We'll decide later. Okay.